Meaning of hard times.
Hard times.
Hard times.
Hard times.
Hard times. Hard times refers to a period of economic or personal hardship, where individuals or societies face significant challenges and difficulties. Such periods can be characterized by increased unemployment, financial struggles, and emotional distress. During hard times, individuals may experience stress, anxiety, and depression as they struggle to overcome obstacles and make ends meet. These periods can also provide opportunities for growth and resilience, as individuals learn to adapt to new circumstances and develop greater strength and perseverance. Ultimately, hard times can be a challenging but transformative experience for those who endure them.